Here we are today for lesson 6. So today we're going to do a little bit of boxing. We're going to show you how to do your punches, your jabs, your crosses on the bag, and we'll do one more technique, and that'll be shielding hammer. So why don't we get started? Okay, here we go. So let's get started. Raquel's a little cold today.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to go and do our technique. So let's open up class. We'll get right into the technique. We're going to go and do our boxing on the bag, since you want to learn some boxing. For what reason, I have no idea. No. Okay, horse stance move. Meditate. Up. Bow. So let's go over the techniques we had so far. We have long kimono. We have thundering hammers. And we have triggered salute. That's long kimono. So long kimono, triggered salute. Now we're going to have shielding hammer. And that's against a roundhouse punch or a hook punch. So it'd be a punch coming from here. So let's get started with that. What it's going to do is you're going to step back into the right neutral bow, and we're going to do an outward block, an outward extended block we call it. So the punch is going to come from here. So we're going to step, block it with an outward extended block, step back to a right neutral bow. Okay? So it goes like this. You're going to have your hand up to check, and I'll show you why. So you throw the punch, boom, here. You're going to check this hand here, just in case. So you have the check here. So you're going to come up with both feet. You can do a cross hammer fist across his temple to the bridge of his nose. And this is going to check here, and this is going to check here. So now we're all checked. You have his legs checked, his hands. He can't do anything from here. Then we're going to step in and elbow. So it looks like this. Hook punch. Boom. Boom. Okay, so let's do it. Stand up straight. We're going to step back into a right neutral bow, right outward, extended block. Step the other way. Right neutral bow. Boom. And then we're going to step up, both feet, hammer fist. Check, right here. You're going to step through into a forward neutral bow, elbow. That's shielding hammer. And for me, this technique's neat. I mean, this is the physical part of it, but for me, there's a spiritual part of it. And this technique always reminded me of Ephesians 6:10, where it says, put on the full armor of God to be protected from the spiritual realm. And in this day and age, we have a lot of spiritual stuff that's coming down on us, and we need to put on the full armor of God. So if you get time, check out Ephesians 6:10, and it's a really good scripture. So let's keep in mind our spiritual part of our being, which is probably more important. So here we go. We're going to try it. I'm going to throw a hook. He's going to step back, outward block. He's going to check here. And he's going to bring the other back foot up to the front foot. Hammer fist. He's going to check. Beautiful checking. He's going to step through. Step through. Boom. Elbow. So try it again. So it's step back. Step back into a neutral bow. Other foot. Step back. Outward extended block. And leave that right here. Boom. Then you're going to step up. Beautiful. Keeping this up all the time. Now your feet are still going to be together. And then the impact, when you step in with it, boom. The impact is stepping into another neutral bow. So basically you're sliding into a neutral bow via transition. So let's try it. 1, 2, step up, step while you're doing this, okay? And then step while you're doing that. Try it again. 1, 2, good, and then step. Beautiful. So that's shielding hammer. So let's get a little closer here. And let's show how it looks. So throw me that hook. Okay, throw me the hook. Boom, boom, boom. See, everything's checked. Okay, So it's shielding hammer. Let's try it again. Ready? One. Other way. You'll have to do them on both sides, but it'll be the other block. One. Try it again. One. Step. Two. Three. Okay, shielding hammer. And again, it goes along, for me, Ephesians 6. Okay, so it's ready. One. Two. Three. Good. Up straight. Okay, now I want to go through some boxing techniques, because when it gets down to sparring, boxing, you can add kicks to it, and it's a good combination to use when we get into freestyle later in sparring. So what I want to do is go to the bag, and we can put on any gloves or anything today. We're just going to go through the basic punches. So let's go to the bag, and I'll show you how the basic boxing punches work. Okay, so boxing, we're going to incorporate a little bit of the martial arts stance to it, but we're also going to use the boxing techniques and how you shift weight. But the first thing we're going to show is how to jab. Okay, so basically out of your right neutral ball, we're going to jab, and your jab comes from your temple, and just like in martial arts, it has to rotate. Okay, and the jab is called the one punch. Okay, and that's because you'll hear in boxing the 1-2 combination or whatever, because the punches are numbered. So let's go through the numbers. Okay, so your jab is 1, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to rotate on your back foot and then jab. So it's going to be 1. You're going to go heel to toe. Okay, that's your 1 punch. So it's 1. Okay, and then your second punch, your 2 punch, is your cross. Now, how we do it to get our, I'm losing my voice again, to get our power is we go from heel, toe, heel, toe. So 1, and then across is a 2 punch. So there's a 1, 2. Okay, that's your basic 1-2 combination. Go like this. Boom. Boom. Okay, it's your 1-2 combination. Try it. Hands up, rotate your punch. Ready? Go. 1. Good, good. Rotate those feet. There it is. Feel the power you get out of that? Hands up. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. That's your 1-2 combination. Okay, then we're going to add the third punch. So you got your jab, your 1, your 2, your 3 punch is your hook. Now your hook, you never want to turn over your hook. That leaves you open. So when you throw your hook, you want to keep it right in front of you from here. So 1, you're going to rotate, bam! So it looks like that. So you got your 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So your 1 punch, your 2 punch, and your hook comes off the rotation right there. And don't go all the way through. If you're going to go through a hook, you want to come here so you can recoil. So you can go through a hook. If you come here, you're pretty much dead. Somebody drops a hook. If you remember Tyson Holyfield knew he dropped his hook. So all you have to do is bait him right here. As soon as you drop your hook, come right over the top. Like that one. Okay, so try it. So you got your 1 punch. 1, 2, then 3. Good. We'll try again. 1, 2, 3. Good. Take those feet. There you go. I like the way you recoil on your hook. That's good. Try it again. Let me hold this for you. 1, 2, 3. Good. Very good. So let's throw 1 more in and 4th punch, which everybody knows what that one's going to be. So you got your 1, 2, and then you got your hook. Your 4th punch is your uppercut. Uppercuts, very good punch, very dangerous. You throw it at the wrong time in the wrong place. And you want to keep it close into your body so they can't see it coming. There's a thing they call in boxing with uppercuts called the shoe shine. You see them in the corner. Yeah, that's your shoe shine. So you got your 1, your 2, your 3. Your uppercut's going to come right from here. You're going to rotate in. Boom. So try your uppercut. Bam! Try it. Ready? 4. Good. 4. Got the good rotation there. Good. Okay, now try the combination. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I want you to switch sides now and do it on the other side. Everything's reversed. This will be your 1, this will be your 2, and this will be your 3, this will be your 4. Ready? 1, 2. Get a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Come up. Uppercut right from here. Boom. Try it again. I'll hold it for you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Up straight. Okay, let's come back here and finish up our technique for today. And remember, oh, wait a minute. We're not done yet. Remember, our technique today was shielding hammer against actually the third punch in boxing. Was the roundhouse or a hook punch. So let's try it. Ready? Step back. 1. The other way. 1. Keep the hand up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Try it all at once. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try it one more time. All at once on 1. Ready? 1. Good. Keep the hand up. Very good. Up straight. Horse stance move. Meditate. Up. Bow. Thank you. And we'll see you for lesson 6. God bless.
7.
7. Thank you. See that?